Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. So firstly we need to check if you have the latest software version. Open Creative app. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu. Like usually it opens this one, but if you open the application you see this menu, just tap at your earbuds here. Then go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the second line we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so tap at this line. And then click check now at the top. It checks for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, just update in this window to the new version, and it can fix this problem. Next step is to place your earbuds to the charging case. Then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after that time just open the charging case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both your earbuds to the charging case and don't close the case this time. At the bottom we have connection button and you need to press and hold this connection button until the LED light flashed red 5 times. It can start flashing blue and red, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding, and right here we have 5 times. So after that you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget this device and forget device. Then if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top if your Android phone had this button, because not of them have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, but right now I have iOS 26 and it doesn't work, so on iOS 26 I need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, but maybe when you're watching this video they will fix this problem. So after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!